Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to witness the extraordinary, the unusual, the downright bizarre. We're going to meet 10 of the world's rarest plants, each a testament to the power of adaptation. From humid rainforests to arid desert plains, these botanical wonders have captured imaginations. Let's begin our adventure. Our first encounter is with the corpse flower, or Amorphophallus titanum, a botanical marvel that captivates and repels in equal measure. This botanical giant hails from the rainforests of Sumatra, a region known for its rich biodiversity and unique flora. The corpse flower can reach staggering heights of over 10 feet, making it one of the tallest flowers in the world. It earns its name from the pungent aroma it emits, a scent that closely resembles rotting flesh, which is both fascinating and revolting. This stench attracts carrion-loving insects that act as pollinators, ensuring the continuation of its species. Sadly, the corpse flower is critically endangered due to deforestation and habitat loss, which threaten its very existence. Only a few hundred individuals remain in the wild, making it a rare and precious sight. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect this unusual plant, employing various strategies to ensure its survival for future generations. Deeper into the tropics, we encounter the ethereal ghost orchid. Found in the swamps of Florida, Cuba, and the Bahamas, it blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Its white, almost translucent flowers seem to float in midair. The ghost orchid relies on the giant sphinx moth for pollination. Habitat loss and poaching pose significant threats to its survival. Efforts are underway to protect this phantom of the swamp. Our next stop is the steaming jungles of Southeast Asia, a region teeming with diverse flora and fauna. Here we find the Rafflesia arnoldi, the largest flower on Earth, known for its impressive size and unique characteristics. This parasitic marvel attaches itself to a specific vine, drawing sustenance from its host. Unlike most plants, it lacks leaves, stems, and roots. The flower can grow to over 3 feet in diameter, making it a true giant among flowers. It emits a stench likened to rotting meat, which attracts carrion flies that help in its pollination process. Found only in the rainforests of Borneo, Sumatra, and parts of the Malay Peninsula, this rare flower is a true wonder of nature. Rafflesia arnoldii faces a precarious future, with its population dwindling rapidly. Habitat destruction and overcollection are pushing this extraordinary plant towards extinction. Logging and agricultural expansion are major threats. Its parasitic nature makes ex situ conservation extremely difficult, as it relies entirely on its host vine for survival. Protecting the remaining rainforests is crucial to its survival. Conservation efforts must focus on preserving its natural habitat to ensure this unique flower continues to thrive. From the giants of the plant world, we turn to the exquisite Middle Mist Red. This delicate camellia has a history of exploration and cultivation. John Middlemist brought the plant to Europe in 1804, where it became prized. Today, only 2 known specimens survive, one in London and one in New Zealand. The survival of the Middlemist Red rests on dedicated horticulturists. Their efforts offer hope for this botanical treasure. Our journey takes us to the Philippines, where we encounter the jade vine, a plant of extraordinary beauty. Its cascading turquoise flowers create an otherworldly spectacle, almost like a scene from a fantasy world. However, deforestation and habitat loss have pushed this vine to the brink of extinction. Its popularity as an ornamental plant has led to overcollection, further endangering its survival in the wild. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the remaining populations and promote sustainable harvesting practices. Botanical gardens around the world are studying the vine's reproductive biology to aid in its conservation. The story of the jade vine is a reminder that hope remains, and with dedicated efforts, we can ensure its survival for future generations. Our journey takes us to the southeastern United States, home to the Franklin tree. Named after Benjamin Franklin, it was once common along the Altamaha River in Georgia. By the early 19th century, it had vanished from the wild. Today, the Franklin tree survives thanks to seeds collected in the late 18th century. These seeds were propagated and shared among botanists. The Franklin tree highlights the need to protect our planet's biodiversity. Our pursuit of botanical rarities takes us to the Rock of Gibraltar, home to the Gibraltar campion. This plant, with its delicate pink flowers, was thought to be extinct. In 1994, a single surviving Gibraltar campion was found on a remote cliff face. This rediscovery sparked an intensive conservation effort. Seeds were collected and a propagation program was established. The Gibraltar campion is slowly regaining its foothold. Our journey takes us to Mexico, home to the chocolate cosmos. This unique flower emits a delicate chocolate aroma. Unlike its more common cousin, the chocolate cosmos produces no seeds. Its survival depends entirely on human intervention through propagation techniques. The chocolate cosmos serves as a reminder of the responsibility to protect and preserve nature. Our search for rare plants takes us to the realm of myth, the Utanpoluo. Said to bloom once every 3,000 years, it was first discovered in 1997. Its tiny white flowers are incredibly fragrant. Despite its recent rediscovery, the Utanpoluo remains shrouded in mystery. Its presence serves as a reminder of the wonders of the natural world. Our final encounter is with Encephalartos woodi, the wood's cycad. This ancient plant, with its palm-like fronds, harks back to the time of dinosaurs. A single male specimen discovered in 1895 represents the last known wild individual. The wood's cycad's inability to reproduce sexually in the wild is a poignant reminder of life's fragility. Botanists have managed to produce clones, ensuring its genetic legacy lives on. As we conclude our journey, we are reminded of the importance of conservation. These botanical marvels represent a fragile legacy. They highlight the diversity and beauty of our planet's flora. By understanding their plight, we can all play a role in their conservation. Supporting conservation efforts ensures these wonders continue to grace our planet for generations to come.